Hey guys, Young here. We're going to take a look at the difference between these two water blocks, the EK Vector and the old FC 1080 Ti. Both of them are nickel plexi, and let's see what differences they have. Whoops. Ah. The box experience. Box are roughly the same, just different colors. Fittings and thermal pads on one. This box is really tight. Same quality as the age. Oh look, this one comes with a single bracket. Single slot bracket. So we got thermal pads. And single slot bracket. This one has a manual. That's nice. I'll just leave that tape there. I don't feel like removing it. Nice presentation. Huh. Okay. Looks pretty similar. So what we have here is the 1080 Ti nickel plexi. Take it out of the bag. And 2080 Ti nickel plexi RGB. Sorry for the noise. Come on. All right. Let's see, look at the fin count we got, or how many galleries. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is hard to count. 26 on the 1080 Ti. 29 channels on this one. Not bad, not bad. So there's a lot more channels on the RTX 2080 Ti. That's because it's probably most likely because of the heat output from the newer cars. They have a lot of more TDP, higher TDP. I don't like how this ribbon is ran. Why is it run like this? Really? What? Why is it ran like that? They couldn't like put a channel for it or somewhere or something? Oh, that's nice. So if you strip one of these, you can actually get it, maybe a replacement. Quality seems about the same. Nice finish to it. How thick is the actual block? The nickel plexi block. Is it any different in thickness? Let me try. I didn't bring my micrometer, so this makes it a little bit harder. Thickness of the metal plate is about the same. So yeah, they put a thicker plexi, which is nice because sometimes these plexi tend to crack very easily. Yet, like I had a Fantax block. The screws, when I retighten them down, I guess even though I put even pressure amongst each other, they crack. But this one has a fairly better design. It's more flat and it doesn't use like an acorn shaped side screw. This one has more of a flat hex bolt design. Yeah, not bad. These look great for Nexoplexy. And this block will go on my 2080 Ti XC Ultras. I got 2 of these blocks and 2 cards. I also got the ASUS 2080 Ti Strix OC edition and a Bits Power Lotion block for that I'll take a look at later. So yeah, these were the EKWB nickel plexi water blocks. Overall, it looks a lot more elegant, I guess, a lot more simpler. Even the EK logo right here is nice and flat. There's no concave. It's nice and modern design, I guess what you would call it. While on the old 1080 Ti, they have NVIDIA GeForce labeled over here, and this is more convex emblem. So, I don't know, EK quality. Thanks for watching. There'll be links in the description for these items, and like, share, subscribe. I decided to hook up the RGB real quick to my test bench to see what it looked like. It's 12 volt RGB, non-addressable. I wish I got the addressable one. Would look a lot more unicorny effect, I believe, is what they call it. But this is not implementation. Well, thanks for watching.